Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So guys, I just bring videos to you that have ideas about crochet art. In today's video, I'm gonna give you some cozy ideas about cushions and pillows. Are you bored with the same kind of look of your drawing rooms and any sofas and chairs? Just add some colors and beauty to your drawing room by adding these kind of cushions. Crochet cushions are really beautiful and they are just amazing add-on to your drawing rooms and living rooms. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you different kind of ideas of cushions and pillows. These are so colorful cushions. This video is collection of beautiful and trendy circular and other cushions. There are so many patterns to choose from this video. Pillows are great ways to add some warmth, color and texture to your space to really make it feel like home. Traditional square and rectangular throw pillows are great, but there is something fun about a round pillow. Most of these patterns are textured crochet stitches like the puff stitch, bobble stitch and post stitch, while other focus on color work. I hope you find some more patterns in this video so you can make your home looking beautiful by adding colors to your drawing rooms. So guys, these kind of cushion can be used in any corner of your house. So guys, let's kick things off with the beautiful inverted pillows. These pattern uses the front and back post double crochet stitches to create a ridge and spiral design. These patterns include step-by-step pictures in my video to make beautiful pillows. Sofas are usually the focal point in the living room. More often than not, we find our sofa little and worn out, but we are still not ready to give up in. So how to jazz up the old sofa, giving it a brand new look? Simple answer. That's our cushion. So cushions are really important to make your boring looking drawing room into a really beautiful and jazz up your style of your drawing room. Only the cushions you just make, it should be colorful and beautiful that suits your sofas. Many people believe that prints are meant only for plain surface. Take our words. Pairing prints and color can make your sofa stand out, especially if you own a patterned sofa. The key is to select the color for the sofa cushion cover that complements print on your sofa. For example, if a sofa has print of orange and red, you can go for beautiful orange cushion covers. So a single cushion cover with amazing color and statement can define your style and personality. It can easily transform your room and can be good starter for amazing conversations at times. When it comes to creativity, don't forget to mix and match, because that is how you will create interesting display in your living rooms. If you think mix and match for cushions and meant only for interior decorator, you can't be more wrong. It's very easy if you try and unleash your drawing room. You can find ideas in my video. So these inspiring designs that would create the right mood and accents. These are some tips that we thought would come handy to you if you plan to update your sofa. How do you play around with your cushion covers to create a beautiful living room space? So guys, there are so many ideas you can take from my video to just make your house beautiful. They have so many good patterns in this video, and if you know the crochet art, these are really easy to make. The right combination of cushions is key to a well-styled room. They are one of those finishing touches that can really transform a space. So if you want to have these kind of ideas, just stick to my videos and just you can change your house into a beautiful place. Just complete your living room, bedrooms and outdoor decor with these beautifully designed cushions. Having a beautiful and artistic home interior is said to be mood enhancing, along with giving your living room, bedroom and a classic and unique look. These covers are really beautiful and a good add-on to your house. So guys, if you want to have more ideas about your house, lifestyle and other things, just stick to my videos.